In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the help feature inside the Claude website. We'll keep this simple and clear. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to navigate without memorizing links. Once Google is open, click into the search box so your cursor is active and ready to type. Type the phrase Claude AI into the search field. Make sure it's spelled correctly to get the most relevant results. Press Enter to search. You should see results that include the official Claude website. The legitimate result typically shows the domain with Claude's name and a short description about the AI assistant. If you see ads at the top, scroll past them until you find the official site. If you'd like to keep your search results handy, you can open the official site in a new tab so you can easily return to the results if needed. Click through to the Claude website. Once the page loads, take a moment to let all elements appear. Sometimes menus take a second. You're looking for the option labeled Get Help. Depending on the layout or your screen size, this might appear in a sidebar, in the main menu, or as a help or question mark icon near the corner of the page. If you don't see it immediately, try resizing the window or checking the site's footer, as help links are often placed there as well. Select Get Help. This will take you to Claude's help experience. Here you'll typically find a knowledge base with guides, FAQs, and troubleshooting articles. Use the search bar within the help area to type a short, specific phrase related to your question. Think billing, account, file upload, or model access. If you prefer to browse, look through the categories to narrow down topics. Articles are usually organized by common tasks and issues, so skimming the section titles can quickly point you in the right direction. As you scan the Help feature, open articles in new tabs if you want to compare solutions or keep a breadcrumb trail. If an article includes step-by-step instructions, read them through once before you start so you understand the flow. Many help centers also include tips at the bottom of articles, so don't miss those. When you find a page you know you'll use again, consider bookmarking it for quick access later. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Claude AI, opened the official site, clicked Get Help, and explored the Help feature. Find what you need. If the site layout changes, the same approach still works. Search, open the official site, and look for the Help or Support link.